chief guest, Mr. Junaid Ahmed Palak, MP and State Minister for ICT Division, Government of Bangladesh, to kindly address the audience. Mr. Junaid Ahmed Palak, MP and State Minister for ICT Division.
Dear all, I understand the objective of this conference is to exchange of views and disseminate knowledge on transformation of finance and accounting with robotic process automation. Technology continues to change society at a rapid pace, and accounting and auditing are by no means immune. New technologies are increasingly able to mimic human activity, taking on repetitive tasks more quickly and accurately than people can.
Now, I would like to hand over to Mr. Mahmoodul Hassan Khosru, the Honorable President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh, who has been elected the President for the year 2021. He is a young and dynamic leader of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh, and is steering the wheel of the organization towards a new mileage. I invite Mr. Mahmoodul Hassan Khosru to deliver his address of welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you all. I'm delighted to see so many of you virtually connected in such an important event from different parts of the world. The focus of today's international webinar is to encourage you to question your traditional way of doing business and to help you rethink your entire organization in order to succeed in this rapidly changing environment through robotic process automation.
Thank you, respected President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh. Today's finance teams are at the forefront of guiding their companies towards profitable growth, solid financial stewardship, and effective risk management. Anshuman has been in various functions. Mr. Anshuman Rai, please.
Today's session is actually all about it. So there are various technologies. I know all the companies are spending a lot of time. Nurul Bhai spoke about digital transformation, so looking at newer applications.
Christian Esmeiser, please you can go ahead and present your keynote paper. Christian.
A lot of examples here. I'm just gonna touch one of them. For instance, if you do in the procurement area, reduce maverick buying, we will be able to really transparently see where the maverick buying happens, which departments, which areas, which part of the process, and really see what your compliance ratios are, etc.
Arun Prasad Ram, Finance and Accounting Practice Leader, UiPath, to present his paper.
Where are processes in finance and accounting where automation is applicable, and what kind of value are people realizing by applying automation in finance and accounting, right?
Respected members, ladies and gentlemen, and now the panel discussion. First, I'd request Mr. Faisal Muhammad to speak, please.
Move into things. The most important proposition that I've found working with RPA is RPA actually improves on two key criteria. It minimizes time of execution.
So initially, we didn't boil the ocean with a big bang approach with the enterprise RPA strategy. We started with something very simple, and we picked up the processes which are highly repetitive and which are rule-based, and of course it was time consuming and judgmental in nature, and that way we are able to quickly implement and then show the success to the business.
Just keen to know some of the initial use cases or some of the areas where you have deployed automation, Sajata.
Thank you, Ashma. My first view is that I see finance as a valued business partner who is basically there to facilitate commercial decision making.
Humbly request Honorable to kindly present her on closing remarks. Is Maria Holadar, FCA.
To become more efficient, eliminate mundane tasks, and holistically transform the finance and accounting functions, many CFOs are already looking to RPA as a solution that also exposes staff to digital tools, reduce cost.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Goodbye.
by
Stay safe.
this,
Stay healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
yeah, take care.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you. See you again.